Okay, we got hello again, this is Robert, showing some kits which I've built over the years. This in fact is my latest kit, the one I finished most recently this year. It's a Folland Gnat in the older livery of day glow orange or fire orange and aluminium or steel, bare metal anyway. It's not your old Airfix, which was quite basic, but now they've upgraded it quite well really, I think, to a new tooling with a lot more detail and a lot more quality. The fire orange, I used the acrylic version of the paint because that's easier to apply than the gloss. A couple of coats. I can't remember if I used a white background or not as a base, but that might be a good idea sometimes to get it to show clearly. I did a bit of a black paint wash or rub over to try and get some detail out of it on various angles. Don't know if you can see in natural light here, but there's one or two seams show up. Decals were quite easy to apply. Good quality that we get with Airfix these days. As many trainers of its type, one of the issues is getting the pitot tube straight, but that comes with practice. I use white glue to put the headlight on so that it didn't fog up over time, and similarly I did the same for the canopy itself, just following the advice of what people say to use. Nothing much to say really, a very good basic kit. It's always the hardest thing was trying to make sure that the seam between the one piece top wing and centre section fitted snugly or flushly with the fuselage section, this two-piece fuselage. But that didn't end up being too bad of a problem. And always remember the aerials are supposed to be not vertical. They were a bit tricky to put in, but you know, everything's fiddly at that scale. It's 1/72 scale. I think Airfix make them also in 1/32. No, or 1/48 anyway, that's for sure. I'm just talking off the top of my head now. But yeah, this you can make it as detailed or as ordinary as you like. There's lots of extra details with the decals, little hook marks and places, don't stand here, stand there markings. But yeah, that's it. That's how I built the Folland Gnat example. And as you can see, the undercarriage is quite good in this tooling. I don't know if you can tell with the natural light, but nice wheel wells. And yeah, there we are. Buy one, enjoy it.